guys, back with more LT, stands for Loop Tube, and today we're going to be making a video of what's inside a cube. And as you can see, well maybe not, I got a new fidget spinner. So we're going to take the top part off. Okay, that was off. So, you're going to find a metal bow that doesn't look like this because I lost the actual one, so I had to find a new one. A metal bow, 3 gears, a metal ball, and a little silver plate. That's kind of really small, and you can't see it. Can you see it? And then you're going to also find this. So what you want to do to take this piece off is this little switch. You just push it in. This part's off. And with this. And then how you get this joystick off. This little kind of, you see how there's a spring there? This joystick, you move it up. You push this thing out. Oops. Yeah, you do that, and then you pull that out. And all you really need to do to pull this thing out is just get your fingers like that. Just get your fingers like that and just pull. And then you're going to find yourself with this. You're going to find yourself with kind of a holder for a lot of things. A switch, a joystick, a spring, and a ball. Stay ball. And then what you want to do is this thing, I guess. Just push that thing in, and then this thing comes off. And you're gonna find yourself with a weird kind of green kind of spinny thing, and another holder. Now what you want to do after that is the buttons. Just take it off. And this is kind of confusing because if you have all of the pieces out for this, you're gonna find yourself with 5 springs with nubbins on them. You're going to find yourself with 4 of these little plates, and 1 of these, and a spring holder. So that's that. Now we're going to attempt to put it back together. Recommended to put tape on this bottom piece so it doesn't fall off when you're putting on this. And that's going to be the end of my fidget spinner / fidget cube. Well, what's inside? Fidget cube. Make sure to like, subscribe, and join the Loop Tube City.